talk about this guy right here. Who can tell me what his name is? Paige.
Mr. Alligator.
Mr. Alligator or Mr. Gator. Okay? Now, we're going to review by starting with our poem. Okay, you guys ready to listen?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Gator likes to munch juicy numbers for his lunch. Small numbers make his belly sore. Big numbers make him shout for more. When Mr. Gator takes a bite, large numbers feed his appetite. So what do we know about Mr. Gator? He likes to eat what? The bigger number, right? Not the small numbers. So what we're going to do is we are going to review by playing our fun game, which involves our paper balls down here. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread out our paper balls. Okay? And since we've played this before, you guys should be pros at it by now. All right?
I like it.
So I'm going to call up 2 volunteers. I need quiet hands. Let's have Sabrina come on up. And Adeline come on up. Now I'm going to have you guys stand right here, side by side. Okay. Now, the rule of the game. When I say go, you are going to collect as many paper balls as you can. I'm going to count 5 seconds. Okay? Whenever my 5 seconds are up, you have to stop. And then we're going to count our paper balls and see who has the larger number. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. Okay, Adeline first. Let's count Adeline's paper balls. Ready? Everyone help me count. Oh, you dropped one. Help me count. Ready? So we're going to stand over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so Adeline had 8 paper balls. She's going to write the number 8 in our first box here. Very good. All right, now let's count Sabrina's paper balls. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, Sabrina, you're going to write 5 in the other box. Very good. All right, girls, you can have a seat. Okay, kindergarten. We have the number 8, and we have the number 5. Now, I want to know which number Mr. Gator would rather eat. I need another volunteer to come up and put Mr. Gator where he belongs. Torin, come on up. I'll just hand him to you. Which way is he going to go? Very good. Mr. Gator would rather eat what number, kindergarten?
8.
8, because 8 is the bigger number. So let's read this number sentence together. Are we ready?
Yeah.
8 is greater than 5. Very good. Let's play one more time. How's that sound?
Yeah.
All right. I need 2 volunteers. Let's have Ryan come on up. And let's have Olivia D come on up. All right, you guys know the drill. When I say go, you're going to collect as many paper balls as you can. And then we're going to count them and see who has the bigger number.
Yeah.
Ready? Let me move this chair. Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. Oh, okay. Okay. Ryan first. Let's count and see how many you guys got. 1, here, pay attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, Ryan, you're going to write number 6 in the first box. Very good. All right, Olivia, you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, you're and put Mr. Gator where he belongs. So we have number 6 and we have number 7. Let's have Isaiah come on up and put Mr. Gator where he belongs. Very good, Isaiah. What number is he wanting to eat? 7, because 7 is the bigger number. Let's read this. Ready? 6 is less than 7. Very good. Now, I want to ask you guys, what happens if I have 2 numbers that are the same? Can we use Mr. Gator?
No.
No. What symbol do I put here?
Less.
Who remembers? Raise your hand and tell me, what symbol do I put there, Aubrey? The equal sign, because they're the same number. So, can everyone read this number sentence for me?
3 equals 3.
Very good. Okay. Now, for our next activity, we're going to need our materials. Our scissors. No, we don't need scissors. I'm sorry. We just need glue. Okay? Table 1, go ahead and get your glue and come back to your seats. Isaiah, will you collect the paper balls for me, please? Thank you. And just go ahead and put them in this red basket. Table 2, glue, please. Table 3, go ahead and get your glue. There's some glue actually in the back here. Glue stick. Go ahead and grab one of those. There's one back there. There's 2 glue sticks back there. You can grab them. Olivia, hand that through, please. Okay, back to your seats in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kindergarten, if you can hear me, touch your nose. If you can hear me, pull your ears. Okay, we're going to go over what you guys are about to do. I'm going to put you in groups of 2, okay? Each group is going to get one of these booklets. Can everyone see this up here?
Yeah.
There are 15 pages with different numbers on them. Each group is going to get a bag like this, okay? In the bag, you're going to find different symbols. You're going to have your equal to symbol, your less than symbol, and your greater than symbol, okay? You're going to have a couple of each. You have to look at the numbers and figure out which symbol fits in this middle spot. You're going to do that clear up until page 8 or 15. When you're finished, you and your partner have to go back through the booklet and read your sentence with the symbol in it. So, for example, what symbol would I put on this first page? I have numbers 1 and 8. So which way would Mr. Gator go?
8.
He would want to eat number 8. So I would put the less than symbol in the middle. Can we read this together? 1 is less than 8. Very good. You're going to glue Mr. Gator on this spot. All right? And then move on to the next page. After that is completely done, when your booklet's finished, every single one of you are going to have a recording sheet. All right? It says greater than, less than, and equal to. All of these boxes are the same pages in your booklet. So all you have to do is look at your booklet and figure out what symbol you used, and you're going to fill in that middle circle. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Any questions before I break you guys off into groups? What's your question? Do you have a question, or are we good? I think we're good. I think we're ready. If you think about it, raise your hand later. All right. So I need Aubrey and Olivia. Please come on up and get your materials. Olivia Shipley, I'm sorry. Okay? You guys are going to work with the little blue table. Okay? You You need your pencils too, by the way. Everyone pull out a pencil. Next group, Torrid and Cooper. You guys are going to work at the multicolored table over there. Okay, go ahead back there. Next group, Brian and Lucy. You can work at the U table in the back of the room. There you go. Ian and Marcus, you will be working together. And you two can work right over here in the corner, in front of the board on the floor here. Okay? Sabrina and Kira, you can work over here in front of my little dry erase board. Okay? Paige and Christopher, you guys are going to be working together in front of the sink. Okay? Come get your materials. You're going to be working in front of the sink, okay? And last is Adeline, Olivia, and Isaiah, since we have an odd number of students because of absences today. Okay? I think you're good right here in the middle of the room. How does that sound? Okay, go ahead and get started. If you have any questions, raise your hand. You need a glue? Okay.
What's that? No, because we only have this.
Here you go.
I don't need it.
You're welcome.
What? When we have you pass these out. No, we won't have one more.
Okay.
Are you going
So let's, yes, I'm going to help you guys out. Okay? So we did the first one already together, okay? Okay, so we have number 1 and we have number 8. Okay, so which way is Mr. Gator going to want to go? What number does he want to eat, Chris? Can you tell me what number he wants to eat? Number 8, because 8 is bigger. Very good. So Mr. Gator is going to want, does he go this way? No, so we have to find the one that fits here. It's not greater than, less than. Very good. So you're going to go ahead and glue that. Okay, Chris, you want to put them on there? Very good. Good job. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, now we have numbers 9 and, looky here, Chris, 9 and 7, okay? So now we need to figure out which way Mr. Gator is going to want to go to eat. Very good, Paige. Can you tell me why Mr. Gator wants to eat number 9? That's right, number 9 is bigger, that's right. Okay, Chris, I'm going to have you glue this one on this time. Go ahead and glue him on there. Very good. All right. Next one. What numbers do we have here?
Now.
Wait.
We have
Which number does he want to eat?
Yeah, we could
We have 7 babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Since you blew that one last
The 4 is the smaller number.
and I have,
So
I
let's
put it
figure out
on,
which
I got
Mr. Gator
it.
would fit here. Does Mr. Gator want to eat 7? Or does Mr. Gator want to eat 4? Who wants to eat 7? Go ahead and glue it on there. Go ahead. How are we doing? Good? Well, no. Here. You actually have the front alligator for each side. Okay? So, well, I want you to the less than alligator and then a greater than. See the difference? We're facing different ways. So which way do you want the gator to face? That way, right? So you want that. Okay, so go ahead and fix that. Now you guys know. How are we doing over here? Good? Yes, it is greater than 7. Very good. Good. So we're taking turns? Good. All right. What numbers do you have here? 7 and 4. Lucy, can you tell me which number's bigger? That's right. So which Mr. Gator are we going to use? The greater than or the less than? That's right. Okay, next page. Lucy, you go ahead and do this one for me. What numbers do we have? That's right. Or if we go the other way, because we're reading left to right, 8 is less than 10. Very good. Here, use a glue stick. It might be easier. Oh, that one's out. Never mind. That's enough, I think. Perfect. All right, you guys are doing a great job. Keep it up. Yes, is this one not working? It is? Okay, good. Perfect. How are you guys going? That's great. Great. Keep it up. Good. It's okay. You may need a roll. How are we doing over here? We're doing good? Good job, Marcus. Can you read me the sentence? Is it less than 10 or greater than 10? It's less than 10. Very good. All right. You guys do these ones? Good. Go ahead and move on to the next one. Ian, it's your turn now. Let's see Ian. What numbers do we have here? That's fine. What numbers do we have?
3 and 9.
Okay, so which number does Mr. Gator want to eat?
9.
That's right. Very good. Great job. You guys are just flying through these, huh? We have 6 and we have 4. Marcus, you tell me which number does Mr. Gator want to eat?
6.
That's great. Find the one that goes there. There you go. Guys are getting it. Good job. Kindergarten, I'm going to give you a few more minutes, and it's okay if you're not finished. But I want you to take a few more minutes to finish your booklet, and then move on to your recording sheet. Oh, okay. Perfect. All right, remember what I said? We have two with the same number. What symbol do you put there? Equals. No, we're not writing it. You've got to find it. There it is. Go ahead and put it on there. There might be. I don't know. Good job. So what does this say? 5 is... What's the symbol? No. What is the symbol, Sabrina? Can you help Kira out?
The symbol is
An equal sign. That's right. So it says 5 is equal to 5. They're the same number, right? So they're equal to each other. What numbers do you have there, Sabrina? Let's keep them on the floor, okay, so we can both see what's going on. We have 8 and 9, so we want to figure out which number Mr. Gator wants to eat. Good. I'm going to go check on another group, okay? Keep it up. All right, here's another tricky one. Sabrina and Kira,
How about you tell me? Because I know Aubrey knows this one. What symbol am I going to